Hello everyone, I am at the Little Turkey River again. If you watch some of my previous videos, you'll know this is where I caught my personal best rainbow trout, 4.5 pounds. But today is a cloudy, overcast day, slightly drizzling, and I'm hoping to catch some trout. Hopefully some good fishing here today. Wish you guys would all hit the like button and subscribe and leave a comment. And otherwise, like always, I'll be using my St. Croix 6-foot ultralight with the Shimano CI4 Stratic reel and a 1/8 ounce rooster tail. Black and gold is my favorite color, and 4-pound fluorocarbon line. So, like I said, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Wish me all luck. I'll see you guys in a little while. Bye. I don't know what these bugs are. They're not mosquitoes. They're like little fucking gnats, but they're driving me bonkers. They are mosquitoes. I don't know, but I sprayed bug spray them. It's not dang well working. Ooh, bite. Bite. Some keeps bumping it. There's a trout in there. He keeps hitting it. He's just wants to bump it though. He doesn't want to take it. Come on, take it. Come on, trout, take it. You know you want to take it. Come here and take it. You know you want it. Come on, you bumped it again. Come on, just take it. There you go. I knew you wanted it. I told you wanted to take it. Oh! Ah! Oh, we got off! No! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? No! Oh, I'm gonna lose him. There we go, we got him. He got in the mud. I dropped him. He had a little puddle out there, but he still had ways to get out. All right, cool. Our first rainbow trout here at Little Turkey. Nice trout. Cool, let's catch some more. Okay, there you go. I don't know if those are little dinkers or doing some size to his bite. That's not what I wanted to do. That was crazy. There it is right there. Fish on. I thought that looked good. Oh, he got off, dang it. Darn it, I thought that looked good, but he got off, but it's too high of a bank. Oop, there's one fish on. Got one there. There you go. He's just waiting right outside that current there. Oh, he got off. Oh, I am not having very good luck today. That sucks. Another one got off. That is pathetic. Pathetic. Where's that, like 3, 4? I don't know. Oh. Alright, last one right here. Last cast in this spot. Oh, there it is. Fish on. There's one. See, always do that last cast. That's the last cast is always a lucky cast. Yeah, all right. Nice rainbow. He's a little small for me. We're gonna let him go though. No. Oh, there he goes. Got him out good. All right, there you go. Pretty rainbow. Let him go. Go on, guy. And he swims away. Cool. Oop, there's a fish right there. Fish on. Oh, he got off. Look at him still flopping. He's not even on, he's still flopping. Ah, another one lost. Wow, I'm losing him left and right today. It's pathetic. These bugs are driving me bonkers. I won't take it. Oh, these bugs are driving me bonkers. Alright. Last cast here. This direction, anyways. Oh, they're getting out. Let's try here. Let's try this. Ooh, got one. Got one. Fish on. Oh, that's a brown trout. That's a brownie. That's a brownie. It's a not a big, huge brownie, but not a bad little brownie. Yeah. These guys are so pretty. I love brown trout. Alright, go on. Oop, let him go. Where he went. Trout or a branch, tree branch, something weird there. Oop, there's a fish, there's a fish. Fish on. Ooh, feels like a nice one. Whoa, this guy's a fighter. Oh, that's a nice rainbow. Oh yeah, that's a nice rainbow. That's a real nice rainbow. Had him hooked good too, right in the corner of the mouth. Awesome. Another pretty nice, pretty rainbow. We'll do one more cast here. Watch over there. Bump. I gotta do one more, I gotta bump, so I'm gonna try one more. It's getting dark. Oh, there we go, fish on. Let's do that one more. Looks like a nice one. Looks so pretty good. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, nice rainbow. Another guy. He's okay. He's not like super nice, but he's nice. All right. And move. Nice, pretty rainbow. Ooh, fish on. Awesome. Nice fish. Fish on. Okay, I lied. I wasn't gonna quit. But oh, yes, I got him. Oh, it's a brown trout. I'm gonna let him go anyways, but cool. I about lost him. Yeah. It's a nice, pretty brown trout. Thought I was gonna lose him. I had to jump in the water to get him in so he's all muddy. Yeah, nice brown trout. We're gonna let him go. Whoa, he is a keeper size, but we're gonna let him go. He's not, we're gonna let him go. He can grow up in the wild, he'll get bigger. There you go. That's a cool beaver dam right there. Oh, you can see that, there's a beaver dam right there. It's a beaver pond. I see a hut. I think that's an old dam. I don't know if it's still kept up. Still pretty neat. Alright, one more cast. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I know I already did my closing credits once before, but I'm doing them again because I decided to fish a little bit longer and I caught a brown trout because I did that. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a good night. I'm going back to the campground, take a shower, sit by the fire, and relax. Good night, everyone.